What is the value of fundamental frequency of a system? Whereas two nearest harmonics of a tube closed at one end and open at another end are given in the question. So for a tube closed at one end and open at another end, the harmonics are odd multiples of the fundamental frequency. So here we can write Fn will be equal to 2n minus 1 times F1, whereas En here can be 1, 2, 3, etc. Let the two nearest harmonics can be taken as Fn and Fn plus 1. Consecutive harmonics will give us the value of fundamental frequency. So we can write Fn plus 1 minus Fn will be equal to 2n plus 1 minus 1 times F1 minus 2n minus 1 F1. So here we can write which will be equal to 2F1, whereas F1 in the expression is representing the fundamental frequency 1. So here we can apply the values on right side. So it will be 260 minus 220. So here it will be equal to 40 is equal to F1. So F1 will be equal to 20 Hz. So the fundamental frequency will be equal to 20 Hz. So the correct answer here is option A.